Okay, Arian Smith here. This is Dead Babies, the correct way to do it, or the correct way that I'm doing it. I had you go on an octave too high on this one part. So now we're going to play it again, and this is the correct way, or at least my way. So that one part it goes up. Then it goes. Then the second verse. Okay, there's that part. So that comes in the second verse. It goes right before the second verse. You'll be doing this. And then you go back to that. Then you can watch the original Dead Babies to get all that. Okay, but now the end goes like you're coming up to the end. You already went with the chorus, Dead Babies. You already went through the chorus and everything, but the end goes. And then it goes. Messed up. You get the idea. So I had you playing it up here. So I actually had it an octave higher than what it should have been. So right before the end, right before that part, you'll be doing. And then. That's in. But yeah, I wanted to correct that because I had you go on an octave too high when it's actually down here. So right before, remember, right before the second verse, you'll do that. And then it goes back to that. Then you start singing the second verse. And you can, like I said, you can check out the regular Dead Babies for all that. But there it is. There's the correction of Dead Babies that I wanted to throw out to the people. And I know a lot of people's probably checked this out already. Hold it, how many's on? Not well, 9 people. So that's a start. So I just wanted to throw that out, and there's your correction. And your next lesson is going to be Smoke on the Water. I think you're going to enjoy it. So till next time, later.